fired from the gun from the bottom of a hill along its slope. The slope of the hill is alpha is equal to 30 degree, and the angle of the barrel to the horizontal is equal to 60 degree. The initial velocity v is equal to 21 meter per second. The distance of the point from the gun at which the shell falls. So suppose this is a slope which is given as 30 degree. A barrel is shot at this angle, okay, which is equal to 60 degree. This angle is equal to 60 degree, okay, and it falls at a height at a range r. Okay, it falls at a range r. We have to calculate, this is 60 degree from the horizontal, so we have to calculate the range r at which it falls. Now over here I will choose this as the x component and this as the y component, and I will solve it accordingly. The acceleration due to gravity is g in this direction. So in the y direction it will be equal to, now this is equal to theta, so this will be equal to g cos 30, that is the slope of the part, and this in this direction it will be equal to g sin 30. In the vertical direction it is equal to, in the y axis it is equal to g cos 30, and in the horizontal direction, that is in the x direction, it is equal to g sin 30. Now over here the acceleration are acting in both these directions, so I have to take the components, okay. So if I take the angle with the axis, if I take this angle with the axis, it will be equal to 60 minus 30, which is equal to 30 degree. So now in the vertical, for y axis, so for y axis we will use the formula S is equal to ut plus half at square. So over here the total displacement in the y axis is equal to 0. So let this be equal to 0. Initial velocity is given as 21. So it will be equal to 21 is in this direction. So in the vertical direction it will be equal to 21 sin 30. Okay, it will be equal to 21 sin 30 into t minus half. If you see the acceleration, it is equal to, it is in the opposite direction, so g cos 30 into t, okay, g cos 30 into t square, okay. I use the formula S is equal to ut plus half at square. So 21 sin 30 is equal to g, the value of g is equal to 10, so 10 by 2 is 5 cos 30 into t, okay, 1 t and 1 t square will get cancelled out, it will be t. So t is equal to, over here t is equal to 21 by 5 tan 30, tan 30 is equal to 1 upon root 3, okay. We have got the total time period. Now we have to calculate the range. The range will be equal to, now if you see the range is in the x axis, so it is equal to, again we will use the formula ut plus half at square. So now let us see the initial velocity in the x axis. If you see the initial velocity in the x axis, it will be equal to 21 cos 30. So it is equal to 21 cos 30 into t. T is equal to 21 by 5 tan 30 minus, if you see the acceleration is acting in the opposite direction, that is equal to minus g sin 30, okay. So it is equal to minus half g sin 30 into t square, okay, sin 30 into t square, which is equal to 21 by 5 into tan 30 the whole square, okay, into tan 30 the whole square. So which will be equal to, over here, which will be equal to, the range will be equal to, over here, 21 into 21 by 5, okay. Tan 30 can be written as sin 30 divided by cos 30. Sin 30 will cos 30 will get cancelled out into half, okay, minus half into 10 into sin 30 is again over here, it is equal to half, 21 into 21 divided by 5 into 5 into tan 30. So tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. The whole square will be equal to 1 by 3, okay. So if I calculate this part, it will be equal to 21 into 21, okay, so which is 21 square divided by 10. Why am I writing like this, you will understand in a short while, okay. Divided by 10 minus this will be equal to, this will get cancelled out. Okay, so now 2 into 5 is equal to 21 into 21, which is 21 square divided by 30. If I take 21 square common, it will be equal to 3 minus 1, which is equal to 2 divided by 30. Okay, so 21 2 divided by 30, which is equal to 21 divided by 3, which will be equal to 7. 7 into 21 into 2 divided by 10. Okay, so it is equal to 14 into 21 divided by 10. Okay, so 14 into 21 divided by 10 will be equal to, roughly it will be equal to 28. Okay, so it will be roughly equal to 41. 14 into 21 will be equal to roughly equal to 294. So it will be roughly equal to 294 divided by 10, which is equal to 30 meter. So the range over here is equal to 30 meter.